Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to insert double horizontal line in MS Word document. So friends, to insert double horizontal line, firstly click on insert. Now click on shapes. Now select line. Now press shift key and hold and draw line. Now double click on this line. Now click on shape outline. In here click on dashes, click on more lines. Now click on compound type. So select double. Now change width and change color as your choice. That's it. So friends, like this you can insert double horizontal line in MS Word document. Hopefully friends, you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel for latest update. And friends, please comment this video useful for you or not.